Welcome students. Today we are going to see practice set 29 of chapter 6, that is indices. Now practice set 29 is based on one more law of indice. This is a raised to m raised to n, and between there is a bracket. If like this is there, we have to multiply the powers. Base you have to write as it is a, and this powers m and n are powers, you have to multiply that powers m into n. So this is the law on which practice set 29 is based. So let me show you all the laws together so that you can learn that laws in exam might be coming for match the following. See this a raised to 1 is a. We have seen this law already. If anything raised to 1, any number raised to 1, we take the number as it is. Anything raised to 0, a raised to 0, the answer was 1. For example, 3 raised to 0, the answer will be 1. Now a raised to minus m, if the number is negative and we want to write it positive, we take it in a reciprocal. Suppose 7 raised to minus 2, the above power is negative, we want to write it in a positive. What we will do, we'll take it in 1 upon, then this negative power will be become positive. You have to take the reciprocal. Now a into b raised to m, so what you have to do, you have to give this power to both the bases. For example, 7, okay, here also fifth one, a upon b raised to m. So here also you have to separate the powers, a raised to m upon b raised to m. Here a raised to m raised to n. If this bracket is there between these powers, you have to multiply that powers, a raised to m into n. Here example 7 into 2 raised to m. Suppose if it is like this, so this, and here suppose instead of m I am taking as 5. So this 5 you will separate to both, 7 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5. Like this it will be. If it is 7 upon 2 raised to 5, this 7 raised to 5 upon this will become 2 raised to 5. If it is like this, 7 raised to 2 raised to 5. So 7 raised to this powers you have to multiply, 2 5s are. So 7 raised to what it will become? 10. 7 raised to 10. Now seventh law is a upon b raised to minus m. If the power is negative, you want to make it positive, then what you have to do, you have to make the reciprocal of the numbers which are inside the bracket. So it will be become b upon a raised to m, and these two we have already seen. A raised to m into a raised to n is equals to a raised to m plus n. If there is a multiplication sign between these two numbers, then that powers will be added and base should be written one time. If there is a division, then you have to subtract the above powers by writing the base one time. So these are all 9 laws. Remember it. Now let's study the practice set 29 based on this law. If there is a bracket between the above two powers, then you have to multiply that powers. Now here 15 upon 12 is the base and 3 and 4 are the indexes. So what you have to do, you have to write the base 15 upon 12 one time, and you have to multiply that powers, 3 into 4. So 15 upon 12 raised to 3 4s is what? 12. Similarly in second sum, 3 raised to 4 raised to minus 2. So you have to write 3 down and you have to multiply the powers, 4 into minus 2. So 3 raised to 4 2s are 8, and plus minus is minus. So the answer is 3 raised to minus 8. Third one, 1 upon 7 raised to minus 3 raised to 4. So 1 upon 7 you write one time as it is. 3 and 4, minus 3 multiply by 4. So 1 upon 7 raised to minus plus is minus, 3 4s is 12. So answer is 1 upon 7 raised to minus 12. Fourth one, 2 upon 5 raised to minus 2 raised to minus 3. Is a bracket. What you have to do, you have to multiply the above powers. Write the base as it is, 2 upon 5 minus 2 into minus 3. So 2 upon 5 raised to minus minus is what? Plus. So 2 3s is 6. So it will be positive 6. Fifth one, 6 upon 5 raised to 4. Base is 6. Write the 6 as it is. Multiply the above powers, 5 into 4. So 6 raised to 5 fours is what? 20. So 6 raised to 20. Here 6 upon 7 raised to 5 raised to 2. So write 6 upon 7 as it is. Multiply the above powers. 5 into 2. So 6 upon 7 raised to 5 2 is how much? 10. Here 2 upon 3 minus 4 into 5. Return the base, multiply the powers. So 2 upon 3 raised to minus plus is minus, 4 5 is 20. Eighth one, 5 upon 8 is the base, 3 into minus 2. So 5 upon 8 raised to 3 2 is 6, plus minus is minus. So the answer is 5 upon 8 raised to minus 6. Ninth one, 3 upon 6 is the base, 6 ones are 6 into 1. You have to multiply the powers. So 3 upon 6 raised to 6 ones is 6. 2 upon 5, 3 into 2. Multiply the powers. So 2 upon 5 raised to 3 2 is 6. So here we have completed question number 1 of practice set 29. Now let's see question number 2. Write the following numbers using positive indices. Can you see all the indexes are negative? We have to make it positive. So there is a law we have seen already, a upon b raised to minus m. If this index is negative, to make it positive, what you have to do, you have to make the reciprocal of the numbers which are inside the bracket. So a upon b will become b upon a, and then this number will become positive. So 2 upon 7 raised to minus 2. So what you have to do, you have to make it reciprocals. 2 upon 7 will become 7 upon 2, and this negative minus 2 will become positive 2. Similarly here also, 11 upon 3 raised to minus 5. This is negative. We want to make it positive minus 5. You have to make it plus 5. So what you will do, you have to make the reciprocal of the numbers which are inside the bracket. So 11 upon 3 will become 3 upon 11 raised to, this will be now positive 5. 1 upon 6 will become 6 upon 1, and this minus 3 will become positive 3. You want, you can keep it as it is, or you can write it like this also, 6 raised to 3. Now this y raised to 4, here nothing is there, you can consider it down as 1. So it will become 1 upon y raised to 4. This more negative 4 will become positive 4 by taking the reciprocal of y, that is 1 upon y. So here we have ended practice set 29. Now in the next part we will see practice set 30.